Hi, hello. Welcome to Shivik YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about NCERT class 10 math subject chapter 11, that is constructions. Okay. Exercise 11.2. Question is, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circles of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So in this question, one word is there, that is concentric circle. So first I will explain what is meant by concentric circle. So concentric circles means, concentric circles are the circles with a common center. It means circles which having common center are called a concentric circle. See here, this is one circle, you can call this one as C1 circle, and this is one circle, that is C2 circle. These two circles having same center, that is O. Then these two circles are said to be concentric circles. Once again I will repeat, circles which having same center is called a concentric circles. Okay. So next I will construct here. So in question, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter. First you can draw here on 4 centimeter radius circle. Okay. With the help of compass, you can take 4 centimeter radius and keep here. Then you can draw one circle. Okay, you can call this as C1 circle. Its center is here. This is O. Right? So next from a point on the concentric circles of radius 6 centimeter. So you can draw here 6 centimeter one circle, and these two circles are concentric circles. Okay. With the help of compass, you can take here 6 centimeter radius, and from center O you can draw C2 circle. Okay. This is C2 circle. Okay. You can call this one as C2 circle. Next, locate one point, that is A on C2 circle. After that you can join AO. Okay. So next, now you draw two tangents to this circle from this point. Okay. So next you can take here more than half and you can bisect AO. You can take more than half and you can bisect AO. Okay. So first you can draw here one arc upside and one arc downside. From A point you can cut these two. Okay. So next you can join these two intersecting arcs. So you can join these two intersecting arc. Right? This line segment bisect AO at, you can call X. Okay. So you can call this one as X. So here AX is equals to XO. Right? After that you can consider here X as center. You can consider X as center and you can take XO radius, or you can take XA radius. Okay. XO, or you can take XA. Then you can draw one more circle, that is C3 circle. Okay. So next you can check where C3 and C1 circle intersect each other. Okay. P and Q. Okay. So after that you can join PA and PQ. Okay. From P you can join to A. Okay. Similarly you can join Q to A. right? After that you can join this Q to O. Okay, so in this figure AP and AQ are the required tangents. So you can write AP and AQ are required tangents. Okay, next you can measure tangents length. Okay, so I will measure tangents length, that is AP. AP is 4.4. okay, so and also AQ is also 4.4, right? So you can write here, therefore you can write here, therefore AP is equals to AQ is equals to 4.4 centimeter, you can write. Okay, next I will explain steps of construction. Before going to steps of construction, once again I will repeat how to construct tangents to the circle. Okay, first you can draw here C1 circle of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, after that you can draw C2 circle of radius 6 centimeter and center is common for C1 and C2 circle. After that you can locate here one point, that is A on C2 circle, then you can join O to A. So next you can bisect AO, this line segment bisect AO at X. Okay, next you can consider X as center and you can take XO or XA as radius, then you can construct here C3 circle. You can write here, you can construct here C3 circle. Okay, so next you can join A to P and A to Q, because these C3 circle intersect C1 circle at P and Q. So therefore you can join AP and AQ, and AP and AQ are the required tangents. Okay, so next I will go to steps of construction. Right. Okay, first you can write the steps of construction, that is draw C1 and C2 concentric circles of radius 4 and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay, after that locate a point A on C2 circle and join OA or AO. Bisect OA at X and X be the midpoint of OA. Okay, so next is taking X as center and XO or XA as radius, you can draw C3 circle. Next let it intersect the circle C1 at point P and Q. After that you can join PA and QA. Okay, so here PA and QA are the required two tangents. After that you can measure PA and QA two tangent lengths. So you will get here 4.4 centimeter, right? So next I will go to justification. So you can join here OP and OQ. You can join OP and OQ. After that, so here OPA is angle in semicircle. OPA is angle in semicircle. So angle in semicircle is 90 degree. So therefore OP is perpendicular to AP, you can write, because we know that angle in semicircle is always 90 degree. So therefore AB is the tangent to the circle, right? So similarly AQ is also tangent to the circle C1, right? So next see here triangle is there, that is OPA. In triangle OPA, angle OPA is 90 degree. Okay, next OP is 4 centimeter, OA is 6 centimeter, because OP is 4 centimeter radius of circle is there and OA is the radius of circle 6 centimeter. Then you can find here AP. Okay, this is AO, this is OP, and you can find the AP tangent length. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem you can write here this is 90 degree, so opposite to the angle 90 is hypotenuse. So OA square is equals to OP square plus AP square you can write. OA is how much? 6 centimeter. Okay, you can write 6 square as it is, which equals to OP is 4 centimeter. You can write 4 square plus AP square, you don't know, you can write as it is AP square. 6 square is 36, which equals to 4 square is 16 plus AP square, you can write as it is. Next you can write AP square as it is plus 16, you can bring this side, that is minus 16. 36 minus 16 is 20. So therefore AP square is equals to 20. AP is equals to square root of 20. Square root of 20 means 20. Square root is 4.4. So you can write here, therefore AP is equals to AQ is equals to 4.4, or you can write 4.5 centimeter. So thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.